The cryptocurrency market has been buzzing with excitement as promising crypto coins continue to show incredible potential for explosive gains. The right investment today could bring significant returns in the near future, as both meme coins and altcoins are expected to rise in popularity and value. Whether traders are looking for the next big meme coin or an up-and-coming altcoin, this list is packed with 4 of the most promising assets in the crypto world. Let's dive into their unique features and uncover which one stands out as the best crypto to buy now, before listings swoop in. 1. BlockDAG, the future of meme coin ecosystems. BlockDAG, BDAG, is not just another blockchain project, it's a revolutionary breakthrough for meme coins. Imagine a blockchain network that not only offers high transaction throughput and low fees but also allows anyone, even those without any technical expertise, to create and launch their own meme tokens and other dApps projects with ease. That's exactly what BlockDAG delivers. BlockDAG's low-code, no-code erases all entry barriers for meme coin creators who want to build quickly and scale without the usual blockchain barriers. By leveraging a novel directed acyclic graph (DAG) structure, BlockDAG processes transactions in parallel, ensuring rapid, cost-effective operations, a feature that's perfect for meme coins, which often see high-volume trading but low-value transactions. Since the start of its pre-sale, BlockDAG has raised a staggering $161.5 million, with over 17 billion coins sold. Priced at just $0.0234 in batch 26, early BDAG coin adopters have seen a 2,240% ROI since batch 1. Analysts remain bullish on this layer 1, projecting that BDAG could hit $1 by 2025. This has caused a surge in whale activity, further signaling BlockDAG's potential to dominate the crypto market. BlockDAG's scalable architecture combined with its ultra-accessible low-code, no-code capabilities makes it an excellent choice for meme coin developers and traders looking for the best crypto to buy now. As the demand for faster and cheaper blockchains grows, BlockDAG's market share is primed for a massive increase. 2. BTFD Coin, meme coin with a strong community. BTFD Coin, BTFD, is attracting attention for its strong community backing and meme-driven appeal. As a community-focused project, BTFD is tapping into the widespread meme coin hype with more than just fun. Its engaging community-driven approach sets it apart from others, providing a solid foundation for growth. Leveraging the "buy the dip" mentality, BTFD encourages its holders to act on market corrections and benefit from its meme-driven ecosystem. This meme coin is building a platform for long-term success, making it one of the best cryptos to buy now. 3. Turbo, fueling the meme coin race. Turbo is quickly gaining traction in the meme coin world, thanks to its speed and low transaction costs. Designed to be efficient, Turbo is a high-reward crypto that's ideal for those looking to profit from meme coin trends. Its scalability and fast-growing community make it one of the best cryptos to buy now. Turbo's efficient platform also makes it an attractive investment, especially for those eager to capitalize on meme coin momentum in 2025. 4. Baby Dogecoin, a popular long-term meme coin. Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, continues to grow its presence in the meme coin space, benefiting from the popularity of Dogecoin. Its loyal community and engaging social media presence have driven interest, while its expanding utility in DeFi adds to its appeal. For investors looking for a meme coin with long-term growth potential, Baby Dogecoin is a solid choice. Its consistent growth and dedicated fanbase make it one of the best cryptos to buy now. Choosing the best crypto to buy now. Among the top projects discussed above, BlockDAG emerges as the best crypto to buy now for countless reasons. Its DAgTech and low-code, no-code capabilities position it as the next big launchpad for popular meme coins and dApps. On the other hand, for those preferring high-growth meme coins, BTFT, Turbo, and Baby Dogecoin also present promising opportunities. Ultimately, each coin offers unique features that make it an attractive opportunity, but BlockDAG's scalable blockchain and integration capabilities position it as one of the most exciting presale crypto projects for 2025.